How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube thumbnail on mobile. So what you want to do is open up the YouTube app and find the thumbnail that you want to download. We'll choose a Mr. Beast one because who doesn't love a Mr. Beast thumbnail? So click on the video, and here you want to come to this menu just below the channel name and press the share button. From here it'll give you the option to copy the link of the video. Press that, and to download the thumbnail we're going to use a third-party app called YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. Enter the URL in here and paste it and select Get Thumbnail. Then come down to Download HD Thumbnail. Press Download. And we'll come to our Downloads folder in the top left. And as you can see, it's downloaded. So to save it to your phone, press the bottom left button. And here you'll see Save Image. And that's how you download a YouTube thumbnail on mobile. Thank you for watching.